They were here. What do you want to get?
I want to get a Ninja Turtle fashion.
Alright, let's go in. Bless you. Where are they? Do you see any?
I'm sure up to right there. That's where I can get one. I hope I got Chase, Daddy.
Think you did? You want 2 of them?
Yes.
Alright, let's go see if we can find the Ninja Turtles.
They're down there. They're down there.
Let's check this way.
No, let's check this way.
Okay. Look at all this stuff. Okay, let's check for the Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, let's check the Ninja Turtles.
Remember where they are? This way. What do you see?
That's the one that my mom has right there.
It is?
Yeah, that's the one that my mom has. Oh,
Are you gonna buy all these?
sure, but I'm looking at things.
Okay.
Daddy.
Alright, go to the car. Got your fashions? This way. There's the car right there.
Yeah.
Okay, what'd you get?
I don't know.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Whoa, I got another Marshall.
Oh man.
They're the same Marshalls.
What else?
I got 2 Marshalls.
I love Marshall. He's my favorite.
He probably can run in this way, Daddy.
Who else did you get?
I don't know. How I got Chase.
Oh man, I hope you got Chase.
Is Chase your favorite pup?
Marshall's my favorite, but Chase is cool too, isn't he?
Yes.
Who'd you get? Who'd you get?
I got another Marshall.
Oh my gosh, you got 2 Marshalls.
I got 2 Marshalls.
Man.
Have I got 2? Okay, have I got Joker, Daddy? Do I get?
Who'd you get?
Whoa!
Who is it?
It's Captain America!
Let me see. Captain America.
Yes, it is!
Let me see. I don't know who it is. You're
Let me
crazy.
see what